brought me on the first tour was when I was growing up. I would always ask my parents growing up, hey, where do we come from? You know, what's our, heritage? And they'll say, well, we don't know. So it was always inside of me to find out. Drive like I'm gonna find this out. So as I came of age, I guess really started to take heed in around 2007. So I started doing a lot of research, and it was good to find out. Hey man, you guys have a long history, an abundance of history. So all I had to do is just put the effort in and research, and that brought me here. So it's been a very fulfilling journey to find out that you have an abundance of history and great people and everything like that. So that's just a drive and something that has completed me, and the thing that I lacked, I guess, in life the most, to find out knowledge yourself. So the knowledge yourself and journey has been great itself.
Awesome.
Thank
you, Derrick.
Okay, Derrick, we're going to keep you away from the dance floor. I'm joking. You were doing it.
Okay.
I liked it. It was good. Even Bomani, who was really two left feet, was doing it last night. Bomani was sandwiched by like several ladies. He was in Ghana having a tam tam. And Bomani, you want to speak right now about your birthday last night?
Yeah,